we are going to try something new today. It's not going to be for sale. It's going to be for myself and my family and my friends. I wanted to make a more natural chapstick. I wear a lot of chapstick, and especially during the winter time, my lips just need a little bit more TLC and nourishing. So I want to do all natural products. So I'm going to use beeswax, organic shea butter, and then I have coconut oil. I need to go grab that really quick. All right, guys, let's do it. All right, guys, I'll be right back. I have to go wash this. All right, guys, we are back. I got this little tray because this is going to be my first attempt at pouring chapsticks, and I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to make a mess, and we just need to make it easier, you know? So we're going to put these in here like such. Probably pretty ambitious because I'm trying to make 15, but I won't have to make them for a while. And if you're like me, I put chapstick on all day long. We're sticking with the black and white theme. And yes, I know I'm doing an all-natural chapstick in plastic containers. I'm just trying it out. Eventually, I will do little metal tins. That'll be so cute. We have these. If you ever come to any of our pop-up events, I have these little tins listed with the fragrance on the top where you can smell them. I have a smaller version that I could do for the chapsticks. I just have to find them. So, wish me luck, guys. Girls. Okay, guys, I wanted to give you a different angle. Maybe we'll turn this around. I'm going to put gloves on because I know that this is going to get pretty messy. I got this recipe from, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I'm sorry I don't remember your name. Maybe I'll do a voiceover. It's like Homestead RD. It looks so amazing and super simple, and I just want to try it for myself. So we are going to do 2 tablespoons of beeswax. I am going to have to take this away from the candle room once I get all the ingredients mixed together so I could put it over an open flame. But for now, we're going to mix it together. She said to make sure you get the measurements precise. So 2 tablespoons of beeswax, 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This one's going to be a little harder to get because it's a more solid fat. We're going to do our best. That's why we put on the gloves. Let me get into the frame. Little handy dandy chopstick. Okay, that's one. Let's get our second one. We want to make sure we get a full tablespoon, but we don't want to go over. So this stuff smells amazing. My husband's a very, I was going to say natural person, but he likes all natural products. So he makes his own, like body butter. There we go. I'm sorry because we're going to skip this step. I have to go to the kitchen and melt this down, but I will bring it back and we will mix it and pour it together. Be right back. You guys, this whole time I thought the camera was on while I was pouring. I had a full-on conversation with you guys. It's frustrating, but I'm learning, so I'm so sorry that you missed it, but I got them poured. Wasn't perfect. I have a little left in my pan. I'm going to see if I can find my metal tin so I can feel it. No product left behind. So it's really soft. I already put some on my lips as it was drying, and I like it so far. We're gonna test this out a little more. I'm gonna test it all week, and I'll give you guys an update in next week's video on how it went. My husband's really excited to try this, and so is my best friend. So they're always my testers. I make them test all my candles. They're now going to test my chapstick. It's great to have good people in your corner who support your dream, even when you doubt yourself. Chase your dream, people. I'm super excited to try these out. This is a new venture of mine. I am doing this just for my hobby. As I said in my intro to the video, I wear a lot of chapstick and I wanted an all-natural one. So I made these. They're made with white beeswax, organic shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. I did throw in a couple drops of essential oil, lemongrass. Girl, we just made chapsticks together. We are sticking with the black and white theme. Maybe as I cap them up, I'll put them over here. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't have a microphone yet that I can clip to myself. I'm hoping to have one by next weekend before we post another video. Bear with me. We're learning this together.